Well, as it is Seachtain na Gaeilge, I thought I'd give you all just a little bit of Ola's fi cad ar siúl timpeall na tíre. Déilún bei trumlú Finocchio siúl in the Pavilion Theatre in Dublin's Dún Laoghaire. And you'll be able to catch that play a Rish Day Mort in Carrick Shannon as they do their tourist náisiúnta I Cundé Lítrama. Now, if you are in the West on Monday, head over to Roisin Dubh for the disco Clúisín Gaeilge. And sure, it wouldn't be Seachtain na Gaeilge without the trad rock indie band Gaeilge. They sheets in the end of tours timpeall Blathnaid, so on day Caideen you'll be able to catch them in the Pavilion Theatre in Dún Laoghaire, Dardeen in Clondalkin and Déithíne in Clontarf. Aidan Cordy is going to be doing Carlin a bilingual Celerlin in Luckgorm on day Mort August day Caideen all day long, so if any of you are interested in putting a comic book together, make sure you head along. Mother to timpeall Inish I Cundé Clór and you're in the mood for a bit of a session, well, big kill tradiisiúnta siúl and Seachtain fad St Auburn Lodge. Ihe Dardeen Kirky bei Con the Money siúl in the Oliver Plunkett Bar, so if you want to see all the talented musicians of Cork, ball it out, make sure you head along. And on Friday, all the schools timpeall na Háta are more than welcome to go along to the Trána Gest in the Auburn Lodge. And if you're in Donegal from the 7th until the 10th, bei Ashlan Ron the First siúl, August Déithíne bei Ceolcra Mór na Féile siúl and Sin Chumach. And the final concert is on in Cush na Hoghanna on the 10th. So make sure you log on to tutube.ie because I'm going to be putting up all of that information there, plus more, so you can find out what's happening around you and make sure you use your cúpla focal.